Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 649 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is from the brand DOUCCE Punk Volumizer Mascara. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I will have that video linked down below. And I can't even believe that I'm still getting products from brands that I had never heard of before. And I have tried out so many makeup products. Day 649 of trying a new makeup product every day, and I've still never tried anything from this brand DOUCCE, let alone heard of them. That's why I love Ipsy, but it's also why I feel like this series could go on forever and ever. So this mascara has a retail value of $24, which in my eyes makes this a pretty high-end mascara. And I got it for such a great deal because my Plus box alone was $25, and then I got so many awesome products, this one being $24 on its own. Like, such a great value getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes. But so, oh my gosh, this is the biggest mascara wand I think I've ever seen. Hopefully it'll be easy to use and not so messy that I get mascara all over the place. But so here's what it looks like. It almost seems to have kind of not uniform bristles to it. So I am just very curious to see how this is going to work on my lashes. It says, if you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. That just gets me so intrigued. It says it delivers drama and length without smudging, flaking, or clumping. Sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. So let's see if that is true. I usually curl my lashes before applying mascara, but I did not do that today, so that way we could just see if there's any lift with this mascara. Which I did an at-home lash lift not too long ago, and unfortunately it seems like the effects of that have already worn off, but it did last really well for at least a week of like having lifted curled lashes. So if you want to see my video on the lash lift that I did, I will have that linked down below. What I'm really liking so far is that the lashes are all staying completely separated. And I really like when a mascara will keep the lashes separated, individually coat each lash, and that definitely seems to be what this is doing. But it is a little bit difficult to work with since it's such a big wand. I got a little bit of mascara up on my eyelid already. So it says to apply one coat, wait a little bit, then apply another layer. So now that I've waited a little bit, let's go back in with another layer and see how it builds up. Ooh, it is really nice and buildable, so you can really build up that volume a lot. Oh yeah, that really did get volumized. And I feel like I layered so much to the point where the lashes have to start sticking together, but it really does such a great job of keeping the lashes so separated. This actually really did kind of give the look of false lashes. Like, my lashes look so full. It looks like there's like layers to my lashes when really it's just my lashes with a lot of volumizing effect. Oh my gosh, I am actually super impressed by this. And there is curl. Like, my lashes are hitting my like brow bone here, which means that they are curling. Wow, oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I don't know how this wand will be on the lower lashes. Ooh, yeah, I feel like the lash wand is like about to hit my eyeball. So I don't really love this for the bottom lashes. A little bit too messy there. Wow, okay, look at the difference. Let's try and ignore my messy bottom lashes. I really, really like this. And I am quite picky when it comes to mascara. I've tried out so many different mascaras and some really great ones. So this has a lot to live up to, and I'm still super impressed by it. Okay, so I have one layer on the eyes, and looking at the difference between just one layer and the second layer, it definitely like doubles in volume. And it doesn't even take that long to really build up that volumizing effect. Some mascaras, you need to sit there and pile coat after coat to get this much volume, but this is seriously just 2 coats is pretty much all you possibly need. Wow, this is such a good mascara. Wow, I am off to such a great start with the products that I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box this month. I absolutely love both of the products I tried so far. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited to have this in my collection now. I definitely don't feel like I need to wear false lashes when I'm wearing this mascara. Wow, I keep looking at my lashes being like, oh my gosh, they look so volumized. Wow, and yep, no clumping or flaking. I'm actually really surprised that I didn't get as much mascara on my eyelid as I expected. I definitely have quite a bit on my under eye, but I'm definitely going to continue using this as my volumizing top lash mascara. Wow, if you are looking for a volumizing mascara, definitely give this one a try. And if you have tried it out, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I'm really curious if this gave your lashes such a volumizing effect as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.